what is your vision or plans or dreams for Tai Chi in the future? What would you like to happen for Tai Chi?
Okay.
I don't know.
Thank you, thank you. I never think about that. I never thought about that. This question for me, I just do what do I can do. Of course, I like everyone to practice Tai Chi. As Tai Chi is amazing, like arts for people. For the balance and for how to say, and for the like a qigong, a lot of movement like a qigong, like all good for your brain, good for your mind. We so kind of like a mind body. The Tai Chi we have a structure. You practice movement like a structure. And the body problem like fix the problem, the body's problem. If you mind, people like too crazy, always crazy. If you practice Tai Chi, I promise. You practice Tai Chi will bring everything down, calming down. As Tai Chi. It's a lot of university that search the Tai Chi, how to help people. I can really help the people. I had a lot of students have a problem when they practice Tai Chi, when really help them solve the problem. I have just two example. One student they have the back pain very 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 bad. Then the one doctor, doctor said, "Oh no, you need an appointment for surgery." He said, "Yeah, I don't want to surgery." The doctor said, "What do I can do?" The doctor, maybe the Tai Chi try. And the guy find me. After 3 months, he getting much better. Then he went back to the doctor. Doctor said, "Oh, you're much better." Then after half a year, doctor said, "No, you don't need the surgery." Then never pain. After 1 year, never have any pain in the shoulder. It's everything totally good. And I had another student, so they also have the problem after surgery. In United States, very common. People move the leg, put too much metal on knee, leg. It's very very common. It's commercial and hospital. The hospital want to make money. The commercial look at here, Pablo, come here. I help you. But it's not really. Yeah, I. But then after that, it's have very very difficult. Either the lady she can walk. She walk is okay. He can wearing the clothes in the morning. He can't wearing shoes. Everything his husband have to help her wearing everything. Everything have to help. After 3 months, after 3 months, he can wearing the shoes by herself. Everything. His husband is so happy about that. Every morning husband and working, it's difficult. Then just practice private class with me. We use the Zoom, the Zoom. It's escape, something like that. I like 3 months, totally healing it. And then follow me like after 1 year. They follow me went to Wuda. They can climb the stairs, so happy. Climbing like also the fix the roof. Climbing on the how the yeah, climbing on the roof to fix the roof, but have the problem. He not be careful enough. He to fall down from the roof, then broken the not really a tall roof. Broken the leg again. He never can get up. Just crazy. I suppose not do that, but I'm not be careful. Yeah, I want to say that Tai Chi totally can help a lot of issue. This is the important things. It's for community, very good for community. With the problem, we talk about a lot. Always talking to students. The world, we see everybody know a lot. We have internet, you know. Then we're every could can go everywhere, can fly to everywhere. It's thinking big, but people go home, close the door. Either you relative each year, your father, mother, maybe 1 time, 2 times to visit them, or they will relative visit you. It's not a lot. The people, everybody stuck there, like energy stuck. Everybody gonna go to online. It's the opposite. Wherever Facebook Google, they just push what you like. You think I'm right. Look, why did I think I'm right? Because of what you like, they just push to you. You think you're not all of it. No, the people with people have to talk, make the energy flow. They can really talk to each other. Then you can really change the world, make the world a very peace. We just talking about the past in United States. What happened? People not talking to each other like Democrat and Republic. No, I don't like you. I don't like you. No, you're not right. Look online, everybody talk like that. No, you're right. Not right. Everything is not right. It's not but that. If people fighting for idea, not fighting for people. They just fighting. They don't know why they're fighting. Yeah. They just follow the media. It's the big, huge problem. We need a community. People always talking, like look and help each other, like practice Tai Chi together, then talk and help each other. Oh, what do you do? Oh, you doing the job. Oh, my boss need hey another one. Either like someone can mate. Mate a handsome boy, mate a handsome girl, beauty girl. Like no, it's in United States. Everybody, when you meet your wife, apps. When you meet your husband on the phone, apps. Everyone dating. It's like not real life. It's people need to talk. I'm very glad. In Poland, they have a big like bigger camp. I mean, I have a student. I asked her, "Hey, how do you meet a girlfriend in a camp?" Oh, look, that's real. They start to talk. No, but the apps. Yeah. So what did I say? We the world need the community. People talking to each other. Sitting there, make the energy flow. That's real human's life. Everybody like family go work, home. It's everybody look know why the world too many people have a mental problem. It's like that. A lot of people have a mental problem because we say okay energy, but otherwise people communicate. The style changed, communication style changed. People need to communicate. Yeah, that's why I say community important. Park Tai Chi everywhere. Hey, in the church. I say no. The problem also the religion problem. Everybody not go to church. Everybody not go together. They not talk. Oh, the boring. Young kids, I don't know what to do. Yeah, I love the kids, the people, not like a belief something, think always together, whatever you do. Yeah, it's like I said, okay, maybe the Tai Chi community or Kung Fu community is more important to create a new community. Everybody practice the health. And yeah, it's yeah.
Yes, yeah, so true. Yeah. Thank you.